Live your life. Put it in the pan.
What? Put it in the pan?
Yeah, you can put it in.
Oh. This looks like a full. Oh. Wait, hold on. Can I see if it has teeth? Oh, it does. Oh.
Let's see what she does with it. You're gonna give her a little time like you gave Onyx.
Oh yeah, maybe.
She brought it into the bush, but I'm gonna let her do her thing. As they get used to it, they'll just scoff it down.
I don't want to be sitting here just like this, so can you move it?
It's Hazel's first rabbit, whole rabbit.
Oh, ouch. That looks like beef liver. Ew. I'm gonna go call Reese. Eating the skin and everything, bro. Oh, is that his poop?
No, it's the belly.
Oh, that looks like it's poop, Dad.
I don't know.
Oh. Is that its DNA or something?
Hazel's getting to it. Onyx gave us a way better video, but yeah.
Onyx did better?
No, he just kept it out so we could see better. But yeah, these are medium-sized rabbits. They said they were 3 to 4 pounds. No. Medium-sized rabbits, 3 to 4 pounds these rabbits were. Hazel seems to like it now. She's doing her thing. Let me see.
She tasted the blood, so that's why.
Grab it. Hey, drop. Hey.
Oh.
Hold on. We're going to move it over here. Relax.
Bro,
hey.
She made a whole
move.
hole in the button.
Move, girl. Relax. We're going to get it back. Hey, relax. Good girl.
All she's going to do is try to move over there again.
Maybe not. We'll see.
Why would you do that? Flip it to the top where she was knitting.
She'll get to it, Cree. Don't worry about it. See?
Oh, my God. Oh, see?
Relax. Don't worry about it. So she ripped the body in half. Took the head back in the bushes. Don't want to work. You brought the other piece over?
Look how much blood it had.
Yeah, we're gonna power wash it with the power washer.
Power wash it?
Mm-hmm.
A power wash gonna split that thing in half.
Still eating. Okay, Hazel. Seems like she's done. There's still some left, so I think I'm gonna go grab Onyx. Let him take care of that. Come on, let's go. Okay, so yeah, Onyx is gonna take care of that for Hazel. Even though he already got his own, but so we got about a rabbit and a half. It's a lot of food, but I didn't feed him yesterday, so he'll be fine. He'll eat all day if I let him. But yeah, man, stay tuned.
Dad.
Live it like dogs. Onyx and Hazel.
Live your life.